Got the phone call this morning after more than a month of waiting. I was on their standby list. They're going to show up here tomorrow morning, mid-morning, closer to about 10 o'clock, I guess, and start the rip out of this furnace here. And I got the AC unit outside, so that should be a good. If they get it done in one day, they're gonna be really making things happen. But this is the last that you'll see of this furnace. Maybe I'll take some video of them ripping out. I might have to clear out if they're really gung ho in ripping this out. Then there won't be room in here for me. But we'll see. It was last 3 days. It's been the mid to low 70s, and over the weekend it's supposed to be a high of 78, 79. It's supposed to rain 2 of those days, so they picked a good day to shut off the AC and to gap the service. But I'm actually going to miss this furnace. It's been I've been further than waist deep crawling inside of there over the years, trying to keep things running. But there'll be a nice shiny painted furnace with a nifty decals, so we'll go with that.